In this video, I'll share a few important quotes by Ramana Maharshi that will open your eyes to truth and you will see how you are already enlightened. So listen carefully and see if this resonates with your own experience. Don't believe anything, understand and verify everything from your own experience. The first quote that Ramana Maharshi says is, "The self is always present. There is no reaching the self. You are the self." Similar quotes are, "You are already that which you seek. The realization is only the removal of the ignorance that you are not realized." There is no greater mystery than this, that we keep seeking the reality, though in fact we are reality. Why is this difficult to understand or see? Why is this fact that you're already enlightened is difficult to understand or see? Because you all have been brainwashed and misguided by the false gurus who say that you need to do something about it, you need to act or go somewhere. Realization is not in some other time or place, it is not in the future. You are realized, one with everything here and now. You just need to see it with your own eyes. And how do you see it? By being intensely aware of this moment. This moment or the now has no suffering, nothing at all. Only if you think about the past can there be anything. Can there be the world? Can there be suffering? Can there be people? Can there be life? But if you don't think anything, and what does that mean? That means if you don't bring the past in the now, that's when you see that you are already enlightened, you are already one with what is, you are already one with the whole. There's nothing to gain here, there's nothing to attain here, there's nothing, no change is happening here. So all you need to do is to see this fact. And how do you see this fact? When your perception enhances and when you be still, when you be completely here and now, that's when you can truly see what is going on with the mind. The next quote is, "The self is here and now. You are always the self and not the body." And similar quote is, "Why do you so often say I cannot realize the self? The self is here and now. It is the only reality." So being a body is only an idea in your mind. You don't actually see that you are a body. You don't actually experience that you are a body, because in sleep there is no body in your experience. You think about being a body. Only when thoughts are real and true in your experience, you think that you are a body. When all thoughts subside and dissolve, there is nothing, no world, no body, no people, no life. So all you need to do is to see the falsehood of thoughts, is to transcend thoughts, is to be still and see what's here and now. And how does thoughts function? They function only with the past and future. Only when you think in terms of past and future. You cannot think about the present moment. Sure, you can think about what's happening in this moment, but that's again the past stuff. Because you have knowledge in your mind, that's how you make sense of the now. But that's not the real now that sages talk about. Now has no content in it. Now is pure self. That's the basis of all experience. So without bringing any past, any knowledge or any judgment from the past knowledge, any idea, you see what's right here, right now. And that's what realization is. When you are utterly, completely present. So your only bondage is past. Your only bondage is memory. That is compulsively happening in your mind. See this and be free.